Today we will see Macroeconomics Unit 7 Chapter 8 Infrastructure. Infrastructure can be defined as the supporting structure that provide different kinds of services to the main areas of production such as agricultural production, industrial production, trade and commerce. Types of infrastructure: 1. Economical infrastructure. 2. Social infrastructure. In economic infrastructure, power, communication, transport. In social infrastructure, education, health, facilities to citizens. Economical and social infrastructure together helps in the overall development of the economy. Both are supplementary and compulsory to each other. Importance of infrastructure: 1. Facilitates functioning of the economy. 2. Agricultural development. 3. Better quality of life. 4. Provide employment. 5. Facilitates outsourcing. State of infrastructure in India. 1. As per Census 2001, only 56% of the rural household has electricity connection. 2. Top water availability is limited to only 24% rural household, and the remaining household make use of water from open sources. 3. India invests only 5% of its GDP on infrastructure, which is far below that of China and Indonesia. Energy. It plays a crucial role in the development of an economy. There exists a positive correlation between economic growth and demand for energy. Source of energy. 1. Commercial energy. Commercial energy refer to those sources of energy which command a price and the users have to pay a price for them. 2. Non-commercial energy. It consists of those sources of energy which generally do not command a price. 3. Conventional sources. These sources are being used since long. These sources of energy are limited. 4. Non-conventional sources. These are the new sources of energy. These sources of energy are in abundance. Sectoral pattern of consumption of commercial energy. 1. Industrial sector has the largest share of 45% of total consumption of commercial energy, but the share of industries in the total utilization of power has come down from 62.6% in 1950-51 to 45% in 2012-13. 2. There has been continuous increase in the share of household sector (22% and agriculture sector 18%. 3. Commercial energy consumption make up about 65% of the total energy consumed in India. This includes coal with the largest share of 55%, followed by oil at 31%, natural gas at 11% and hydro energy at 3%. Power. Power is the most critical component of infrastructure. Sources of power. 1. Thermal power (71.28%), hydroelectric power 25.99%, nuclear power 2.73%. Emerging challenges in the power sector. 1. Inadequate generation of electricity. 2. low plant load factor. 3. Losses of electricity boards. 4. Slow progress in the development of nuclear power. 5. Shortage of inputs. 6. Uncertain role of private players. 7. A lack of public cooperation. Suggested measures to meet power crisis. 1. Improvement in plant load factor. 2. Increase in production capacity. 3. Effective control over transmission and distribution losses. 4. Encourage privatization and FDI in power generation. 5. Uses of renewable resources. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Status of health infrastructure. 1. The Union through the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. 2. At the village level, a variety of hospitals have been set up by the government. 3. Expansion of health infrastructure has resulted in the eradication of deadly diseases like smallpox and the near eradication of polio and leprosy. Role of private sector. 1. More than 70% of the hospitals in India are run by the private sector. 2. Nearly 60% of dispensaries are run by private sector. The role of government in providing healthcare is still very important, as poor people can depend only on government hospitals due to huge expenses in private health services. Community and non-profit organization in healthcare. One of the important aspects of good healthcare system is community participation. For example, 1. SEWA, a self-employed women association in Ahmedabad. 2. ACCORD, Action for Community Organization, Rehabilitation and Development in Nilgiri. Medical tourism in India. Health services are cheaper in India as compared to cost of similar healthcare services in other countries. As a result, foreigners come to India for surgeries, liver transplants, etc. India needs to upgrade its health infrastructure to attract more foreigners to India. Indicators of health and health infrastructure. 1. Expenditure on health sector is just 4.8% of total GDP. 2. India has about 7% of the world's population, but it bears a frightening 20% of the global burden of the diseases. 3. Every year, around 5 lakh children die of waterborne diseases. Rural-urban divide. 1. India's 70% of population live in rural areas, but only 20% of total hospitals and 50% of total dispensaries are located in rural areas. 2. PHCs located in rural areas do not even offer X-ray or blood testing facilities, which constitutes basic health care. There is a short divide between the urban and rural health care in India. Women health. 1. The child sex ratio declined from 945 in 1991 to 1927 in 2001. It indicates growing incidence of female ferticides in the country. 2. More than 50% of married women between the age group of 15 and 49 have anemic and nutritional anemia caused by iron deficiency, which has contributed to 90% of maternal deaths. Public-private partnership can effectively ensure reliability, quality, and affordability of both drugs and Medicare. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comments your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.